Did you know Instagram has taken a step back from video? Well, maybe you've noticed your Reels views have been plummeting. And trust me, you're not alone. In this video, we're covering all the things and how to build a Reel strategy that actually gets you views. Oh, and be sure to stay to the end for a super cool tutorial on how to create stop motion Reels. Hey, it's Kary, your social brand coach, and you can get started by taking my free training, Insta Strategies for Success, to learn the 3 strategies you must have to attract, nurture, and convert your followers. You can find the link in the description below. The strategies that worked 2 years ago are no longer going to cut it, as Instagram has been shifting its algorithm to support other types of content. This refocus, along with the ever-expanding competition, has led to over 20% decline of Reels views across the board. But Instagram has not abandoned short-form video altogether, so Reels should still be an integral part of your content strategy, just like photos, images, carousels, and lives. And I have the secret sauce that actually works to get you views. Storytelling. Large and small brands alike have turned to digital storytelling for their short-form video content marketing. Digital storytelling is a fancy way to say people are creating content that visually tells a story in order to communicate their message. And I'm going to share with you 5 easy storytelling reels you can use in your business account today to blow up your views and build your community. The first way to use storytelling in your reel strategy is mini vlogs. A mini vlog is a short video consisting of quick and everyday updates from the creator's life. Interest in mini vlogs have grown over 160% in the past year, driving more views and engagement to creator accounts. So how do you create a mini vlog reel? First, you start with a theme. The most popular is to show a day in the life of. As you are going about your day, film short clips of what you are doing, seeing, and experiencing. Make sure you get clips with you in them and some without to add variety in video. Your video is going to be no longer than 30 seconds, so you don't have to film everything, but you do want to make sure you get clips that tell the story of your day. When editing your video, you want to make each clip no longer than 3 seconds. This ensures that you will have plenty of transitions in your video that keep your audience's attention. You can use an editing app like VN, Upshot, or Splice, or you can edit your videos from right inside the Reels app. Pro tip, use a Reels template to make it even easier to create your mini vlog. To use a template, go to your profile, click the plus sign, and select Reels. Next, select templates at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can browse the templates and select the one you want to use for your mini vlog. Then all you have to do is upload your clips and hit done. My Social from Scratch student Lisa is a leadership coach, shares Get Ready With Me Reels that she uses as mini vlogs about an event that she is attending or speaking at. She shows herself getting ready, driving the car, and even showing up to the event. She even records a voiceover with a background story or how she was feeling in that moment so that you can feel like you are actually there with her every step along the way. Want more Instagram hacks that will blow your mind? Check out my video, the 10 Instagram hacks you didn't know existed. The second way to use storytelling in your reel strategy is documentary. A documentary reel is a short video that examines the real life of a person, event, or problem, or in other words, it captures reality. The days of showcasing your best life on Instagram are long gone. People want to connect with other real people with real lives and real struggles. So how do you create a documentary reel? Pick one moment of your day. You can be working, eating, reading, cleaning, or even sleeping, and record yourself. This does not have to be multiple clips. You can record a short clip, shoot for 7 to 10 seconds of you doing one thing in your day. No filters, no acting, no pointing, just you living life. You can even shoot this clip in hyperlapse or slow-mo to add an effect. Pair this clip with a motivational or inspiring or entertaining quote, and you have a documentary reel. Pro tip, focus on the parts of your day that will connect most with your ideal audience, something that will resonate with them. My Social from Scratch student and guest speaker Shay, a brand story coach, shares reels with small moments of her enjoying life. Whether on vacation, swinging in a tree, or dancing in front of the mirror at home, she gives you a glimpse into one small moment of her life so that you can get to know her as a real person. Not sure if your account is actually attracting people that want to connect with you? Watch my video on how to write the perfect bio that gets you the right followers. The third way to use the storytelling in your reel strategy is tutorials. A tutorial reel shows a step-by-step process to achieve the desired end result. Step-by-step videos are known to increase viewer retention, especially when the first 3 seconds of the video tells the viewer what to expect. So how do you create a tutorial reel? First, select one thing you would like to teach your audience how to do. Ideally, this is something that your audience has expressed interest in, either through comments, DMs, or other ways of communication with you. This can be how you create a product, steps in your daily skincare routine, or even a recipe for your latest culinary creation. Next, film a short clip no more than 3 seconds for each step of the process. process. Pro tip, make sure to use text on the screen or voiceover to explain the steps so that your viewer can easily follow along. My Social from Scratch student, Nicole, a food blogger, regularly shares reels of her creating mouth-watering recipes. She tells the story of how the delectable end result came to be by showing each step of the process. Then she points you to a link in her bio for the full recipe so that you can follow along with her to make your own creations. The fourth way to use storytelling in your reel strategy is showcasing. A showcase reel shows a product in use in real life. Don't just talk about the benefits, actually show your audience the feature and benefits of a particular product. Seeing a product in use is known to increase conversion by 144%. So how do you create a showcase reel? First, start by writing down the top benefits of your product and then the top ways your product can be used. Next, determine how you can visually show that benefit or use. For an example, if you own a loose leaf tea company and your tea increases focus, reduces stress, and improves sleep, film clips of you or someone else making a cup of tea, sitting down to work, enjoying a good book, and sipping a cup in bed. This not only communicates the benefits, but shows the benefit that the tea could have in the life of the viewer. Pro tip, use a strong hook at the beginning of the video, such as 3 ways our new herbal tea will change your life. This not only entices the viewer to keep watching and showcase the reel, but it also tells them exactly how to experience the reel. My Social from Scratch student, Tasha, a thrifty boutique owner, doesn't just show the clothes available in her shop, but she shares reels of her wearing the outfits outside, at work, and in her house, successfully bringing to life the clothes so that you can get a feel of how it would be for you to be in those clothes. Want more tips on what's working and what's not on Instagram? Watch my video on the outdated tips you should avoid and what to do instead to grow fast. The fifth way to use storytelling in your reel strategy is talking head. A talking head reel is literally a video of you recording yourself talking to the camera, just like I'm doing right now. This is the most direct way to use storytelling in your content because you actually film yourself telling a story. Now, I'm not talking about a story about princesses and dragons, but a story that helps paint a picture for your viewer about your topic. For an example, if you're a parenting coach and you are trying to teach your audience the benefits of imaginary play, don't just list off the benefits. Tell a story about how you and your kids, or even better, how your clients' kids reach a developmental milestone in empathy by pretending to play doctor on a hurt stuffed animal. Pro tip, talking head reels can lead to low retention if you do not include clips that show you speaking in different positions, locations, camera angles, or include some kind of effect or transition to keep your viewers' attention. So even though you were just talking into the camera, make sure something is happening on the screen every 3 to 5 seconds. My Social from Scratch student, Erin, a metaphysical life coach, shares talking head reels with transitions and captions to teach his audience life-changing tips and strategies about different topics ranging from manifestation to journaling. And these short reels gives you a powerful glimpse of how it would be to work with him as a coach. Now that we have covered the 5 most popular ways to use storytelling in your reel strategy, let's dive into one of the coolest ways to visually tell a story. One of the coolest ways to use storytelling in your reel strategy is through stop motion. A stop motion reel is a form of animation in which objects are physically manipulated in small increments between individually photographed frames so that they appear to be moving by themselves. How cool is that? This is a great way to document, showcase, or share a tutorial in a fun and attention-grabbing way. So how do you create your own stop motion reel? Now, there are 2 easy ways to create your own stop motion reel. The first way is to take a bunch of individual photos. For example, I'm going to film a stop motion of me making up my bed. First, you start by setting up your tripod and your phone. It's very important that your phone does not move at all in between shots to achieve the desired effect. Next, you move the items little by little, stopping to take a photo in each movement until the entire bed is made. Once you are done, pull all of these photos into a reel and watch the bed make itself. The second way is to film a video of you making the bed and then taking screenshots of different stills from your video. This way is much easier because you don't have to take a photo at each step and potentially risk moving your camera a little. To accomplish stop motion while filming a video, you will want to move the items little by little and then step out of the frame in between each movement. That way you will have a clear shot of each movement to screen grab at the end. Once you have all your stills, then upload them into a reel just like in step 1, and boom, you have a stop motion video. The moral of the story, reels may be declining, but they are not dead, and you should definitely be incorporating storytelling into your reel strategy to increase your views and engagement. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. And while you wait for next week's video, follow me on Instagram and put me in your favorites to never miss a post. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so give yourself boatloads of grace every step along the way.